Welcome back to another video. In this video, you'll be seeing footages of my different trips which I took last year. I thought of showing you the power of aux lights which I am running on my bike. These are the aux lights which we got in JC Road, called laser gun and 10 watts each, I guess. I don't know the technical descriptions, but if you see the footage, you'll get an idea on how these aux lights performs in highways, cities and off-roads also. We have done one off-road, and in this footage I'll be speaking irrelevantly because these are the clips from different trips, right? So ignore those part. I'm not adding any music or anything, so people who want to enjoy the highway motor vlogs, you can enjoy. So ignore what I'm speaking, and you can see what is the performance of aux lights. If you guys have any doubts, you can DM me on the Instagram handle here or somewhere here, or you can put it down in the comments below so that I'll reply to them. Whatever doubts you guys have, you can just ask me. Let's get back to the video.
Lot of traffic today, sir. I have come on this bridge for like in all time stamps many times, but never seen this much of traffic. Here we go, our first toll for today. So this is Parle Toll Factory, which is very famous in Bangalore for bikers. And we saw two Himalayans on that flyover. Now I see one Mojo. So there are many riders in this highway. This is very famous highway. We'll see a lot of riders. I said to Vishwa that let's put a good cruising range. I said him to maintain around 120, I'll maintain around 110. We'll see how much will you obey that orders. So thing is, I don't want to strain ourselves because we don't have any destination. We just keep riding. Whenever we are okay to return, we'll just return back. Lights, aux lights are doing an amazing job in this bike. The lights which I've got, it is super powerful on highways. Off-roads also, you would have seen it. It is good. Vishwa's bike is running on Mad Dog Scout X. Even those are good. I think these both have the same power because we didn't see any much of a difference. I think it's all same. 5000 lumens, I guess. So we are cruising with that. Again, saw two more bikes, one RC and one more Duke 390, I guess. I'll keep you guys updating on how much bikes we see. Okay, now I have to concentrate on road. I'll talk to you guys in a bit when we stop for chai break. See, this is what we need in India. Adventure. Carry cycles, do some cycling, go to ride zone like this. What happened? These lorries are a big nightmare, man. Wherever you go, you can't predict what they do. That is the problem. अर्ली मॉर्निंग रेस चल रहा with this FZ16 guy and us. He wants to keep up with us. We don't want any highway races today. But what is... But you should be pushing your bike to the limit of what it can. You can't just race with big bikes with a small bike, risking your life. Because those bikes won't have better brakes because of that speed. Hardly you can do 100, 110. These bikes have good brakes, so it is better not to risk. Just because to satisfy your ego, you should not put your life at risk. Because I come from Apache 160cc segment. I know what that bike is capable of. See? ವಿಶ್ವ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಡ ಹಾಂ ಮುಂದೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಿಲ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಟ್ರಕ್ಕರ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಮ್ ಟೀ ಸೊ ನಾವು ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 53 kilometers ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮೈ ಹೋಮ್ ವಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟೆಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆನ್ NH4 I guess. ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಶೋರ್. We didn't pair our intercoms also, which we'll be doing when we stop for tea. But ride is amazing. Nice weather, superb roads. We are keeping up a good pace actually. Time to leave. See our Christmas tree. Here one more Christmas tree will come up. It is super dark. Super dark. It's around 6:46. Now the main problem is to get down. You guys saw how tough it is to climb, right? Now we have to get down in this forest. चलो I'll see if there is anything interesting. I'll record for you guys. Getting down should be fast. We'll see. We are just trusting the lights and we are going down. Is coming. This kind of turns straight. Okay. Oh. think I got a cramp on my leg. Shit. ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂತು ಕಾಲು ನನಗೆ. ನಡಿ ನಡಿ. That's okay, take it on the left slowly, nothing will happen. ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ ನಡಿ. At least you can touch your feet. Yes, go slowly. Okay, this was the most toughest part. There will be small insects. ವಿಶ್ವ ರೈಟ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಮುಂದೆ. ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಎ ರೈಟ್. ಸಡನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಲಾಂಗ್ ತಗೋ. ಟೇಕ್ ಅ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟರ್ನ್. awesome. Both Mad Dog and Laser Gun are put to 100% use. You can clearly see each and every pebble, each and every rock. I will go like this. Nothing to be scared of if you know how to control. Whoa! I was about to fall, man. Don't be overconfident, Rajesh. Because someone is standing there. It was a tree with a human shape. Okay. Let him go. I should have taken this foot. This was easy. Oh, again I just missed, man. Twisted my ankle a bit. Okay. Without light it looks like this. With light, boom. But my lights are a bit upwards, so you can't see complete power. Yes, bro. Looks damn easy on the GoPro, I know. There will be comments, bro, this looks easy. No, GoPro's wide angle makes things looks very easy. To experience it, I think if you have X-Pulse, right, proper, if you have X-Pulse, right, that is bike to do this kind of rides. It is super light, ample amount of power, more than enough. This lacks in low end torque. Back wheel is all doing fist wheel again. These things are all easy. This side, bro. So the thing why we are taking long turns in the right is because we'll have more amount of time to react if there is any small slip or anything. We take very straight turn. So I was in first gear. I think we almost reached. Oh, dash plate took a hit. Oh, yes. Awesome. Something went into my eye.
So till now you guys have watched the performance of these lights in both highways and off-roads. Now you guys can ask me what is the difference, because it's the same lights. You are using it on highways and you are using it on off-road. So why do you show us these two perspectives? Because it depends, right? Some lights might be good for highways and some might be good for off-roads. So this light which I was running, the laser gun, it was good for both highways and off-roads because it had the widespread. You can see in the highway videos, it had the widespread and it has spot on also. It can be used for highways, and same thing applies for off-road as well. Off-road you need to have a wide flow of the light in near your bike so that you can see sideways if there is any drainages or anything, if there is any ruts or anything, and it had the spot on thing also. So you could see at least 100 to 200 meters ahead, so that what comes if there is a turn when you are doing off-roads in the night or early mornings, it will be helpful. So this light was good, but problem is the dealer where we got these lights from. So I don't know if he's still supplying or not, but you can check it out with Monkey Auto Crafts. I'll leave their Instagram ID and I'll leave their number. You can call them. They are dealing with different kinds of lights. You can visit their store post the lockdowns. People who are in Bangalore who needs lights, aux lights for their bikes, complete wiring, setup, harness, everything will be done at Monkey Auto Crafts. My bike is running the wiring setup from Monkey Auto Crafts. It's been 1 year and there is zero issues. Wiring is very good. Shamant is the guy who does it. He does a very good job. So you can call him, ask for different types of lights. He deals with Mad Dogs also. As of now, Mad Dogs are pretty much good. Laser guns, they don't give bill or anything when we got in JC Road. So it's better to go with Mad Dogs. There are new Alpha and Delta series also. So you guys can check out with Monkey Auto Crafts store. You can call them and ask for the lights. Hope you guys have liked the video. If you guys have any doubts, put it in the comments or DM me on Instagram. See you in the next one.